Borada and Shemai. Hello and good morning. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Joe, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do rond de jambe at the bar. But before we begin, please make sure that you read the safety disclaimer provided by us on all our social media platforms and our website. Please make sure that you're wearing comfortable and loose-fitting clothes and you've got enough space around you so you're not going to bump into anything when we begin. And also please make sure that you're wearing suitable footwear such as ballet shoes, socks or bare feet. So for this exercise, I'm going to break it down into two parts. The first part is going to focus on the leg movements and the second part is going to focus on the arm movements. So if you can put one hand on the bar, you can use a chair for this or a surface, just something to place your hand on, so you can use something as support and you're not going to fall over. But remember, as with the bar in the studio, you don't want to grip so hard onto it that it makes your knuckles turn white. So I'm going to be using my crutches. So we're going to begin with our feet in 5th or 3rd position. That's entirely up to you which one that you want to do. I'm going to demonstrate it from 5th position though, but if there's any bits of the exercise you want to adapt for you, feel free and go ahead. So we're going to start in the starting position, either 5th or 3rd, and then from here we'll do a little introduction. So when the music does the introduction, you're just going to breathe the arm and then bring it down. And then from there, we're going to take the front leg, devant, en l'air, enveloppé, back to retire, and slide it down the leg, back into 5th. Then we're going to do it à la seconde. Relevé long, enveloppé, and we're going to bring it back down the leg, but we're going to close it to the front. And then from there, we're going to plié, tendu, fendu, and rond it to 2nd. Then from there we're going to do 1 slow rond de jambe, 2 slow rond de jambe, and 3 quick ones to finish devant. Then we take it en l'air, à la seconde, to do a rond de jambe en l'air, to do a plié, 2nd, lift the leg back up, enveloppé, to then go from the back. So I'll just do it again from the back. So we're going to do relevé long, enveloppé, bring it down, behind. Relevé long, enveloppé, bring it down, behind. Plié, tendu, fendu, rond, à la seconde. And 2 slow ronds, 2 slow ronds, 3 quick ones to finish. Derrière, take the leg off, à la seconde, rond de jambe en l'air, plié, levé long, enveloppé, and then finish. But if you want, after that, you can do a port de bras forward and a port de bras back, but I will be stopping the music, but you can do those afterwards just to give your legs a bit of a stretch, either in between the exercise before we go on to the second side or after we finish both sides. So for the arms for this exercise, as I said, we'll do a little breath on the introduction. Then when we do the plié, tendu, fendu, the arms will go to 1st and 2nd and coordinate with the leg. So you've got 2 options here. Whilst we're doing the rond de jambe with the leg, you can either hold the arm in 2nd, but if you're going to do this, please make sure that you don't droop the arm halfway through, and make sure you really engage this muscle here so we keep the arm in the precise exact position. So you can either do that as we do the rond de jambes, or you can coordinate it with the arms and the legs, and then on the 3 fast rond de jambes you can hold it in 2nd. So that's for the rond de jambes. Then when we go on there, the arms are going to go 1st, 2nd, and then it'll hold in 2nd as we do the rond de jambe, and then it'll hold in 2nd, and then you can bring it back to 1st when we do the enveloppé after the plié in 2nd position. And then the arms are more or less the same when we come from the back, but if you are going to coordinate them on the plié, tendu, fendu, rond, then just make sure that the arms are going the opposite way to the first time. Just a couple of things to think about when we're doing rond de jambe. It's really, really important that we make sure that we really engage our core muscles as always, and that we lift out from the top of our head and really elongate that spine. And we really want to make sure that we really engage these core muscles so that the legs are free to be able to do the rond de jambe. And at no point in a rond de jambe should the legs be bent. So even when it comes to first, the heel needs to be on the floor and both legs need to be straight. So you don't want to do something like this and bring it bent to then rond, devant and derrière. So that's really, really important. When we're doing the relevé long before the enveloppe, you really want to think that it's almost like someone's pulling your second toe and really pulling on it, which is causing you to really point and lengthen that legs, so we produce a really, really nice straight line. And then when we come back to retiro, really, really make sure that we really turn out from the hip, and the toe should be placed just at the side of the knee here, and we don't want any sickling of the foot. You really want to make sure that the heel is projected forward, and again, make sure that in this retiro position, we don't sink, we really continue to lengthen from our spine. So I'm now going to do the exercise with the music, and today's music is provided by David Plumpton, who has kindly let us use his music for our tutorials. 6, 7, here we go. Relevé long, enveloppe, slide it down the leg. Relevé long, enveloppe, plie roll, 2 seconds, and 1, slow roll, and left, slow roll, and 1. Enveloppe, bring it in, slide it down the leg, relevé long, slide it down the leg, relevé long, and in, plie tendu, right, and 1, slow right, and second, slow right, and 1. 2, 3, derrière, take it on, left, rond, plie, enveloppe, bring it in to finish, and done. I'm going to show you a second version of the exercise. So this is a seated version, and it's entirely up to you whether you'd like to do the standing version or the seated version. So we're going to begin with our arms in bras bas, and on the introduction we're going to breathe the arms and bring them back. So then we'll go open forth, 2 first, open forth, 2 first, take the arms through first, and then 2 second, then take one arm, first, derrière, first, derrière, then this time we'll only go devant, à la seconde, then we'll go over to do a porte-bras over, to the other side, and then down. Then we repeat from derrière, first, open forth, first, first, second. Then we go derrière, devant, derrière, devant, derrière, à la seconde. Then we'll do the porte-bras over again, and then we'll do a nice finish at the end. So just a couple of things to think about throughout the exercise. We really want to maintain our core muscles and really think about lengthening from the top of our heads. So we really elongate our spine, and at no point in the exercise should we be slouching or lose our posture and our shoulders come up by our ears. We really want to relax the shoulders down away from the ears, so it's almost like you've got either a necklace that you want to show off, or you've got like a plate of armour on your shoulders which then pushes them down. And then when we're doing the rond de jambes with the arm, You want to make sure as much as you can, even though we are going from devant to derriere, that we don't lose the squareness of the shoulder, so you shouldn't lead with the shoulder. It should come from our middle finger, and it should be led by that, and you really want to elongate and relax the hand so you don't get any tension in the fingers and it becomes spiky. So I'm now going to do the exercise with the music. 7. Here we go. Open fourth and first. Open fourth to first. First. And then to second. Devant and round. Devant and round. Devant. And a second. Order. Thank you so much for tuning into today's tutorial. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Please make sure that you continue to send us lots of photos and videos so we can see you having a go at doing all of our videos. And please make sure that you continue to watch out on all our social media platforms and stay in touch with us and watch out for more new videos being posted. Also, we've now extended the length of time that A Child's Christmas is going to be available on our YouTube channel. So I think you've got until the 20th of June, so make sure you catch it because it's a really great production and I really guarantee that you'll enjoy it. So I hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you for tuning in and yeah, bye for now.